Welcome to our YouTube channel. Nirantara. Forever connected. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
New EU rules require FB, Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat to offer European customers not less than one choice for a content material feed. A consumer who chooses that different may nonetheless get advisable content material, corresponding to what's fashionable of their nation. However, utilizing their online behavior to find out what to point out them could be off limits. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. CNN.com will feature iReporter photos in a weekly travel snapshots gallery. Please submit your best shots of the US for next week. Visit cnn.com/travel next Friday for a new gallery of snapshots from around the world. Please share your best photos of the world with CNN iReport. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. Gross sales in mainland China throughout the interval fell by 8.9% to 228.1 million Hong Kong dollars. The group retails and wholesale luxurious Vogue merchandise from about 100 worldwide manufacturers, together with Moschino, Marni, Sergio Rossi and Stella McCartney. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. Morgan Riddle was being watched. A passerby stopped, turned, and pointed a telephone at her. "You're so tiny," mentioned Sue McDonald, who had come to the nationwide financial institution Open in Toronto along with her 19-year-old daughter, Jayden. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. Nike's hottest footwear embrace the Air Pressure 1, Dunks and early Jordans. At New Stability, the 574, launched in 1988, and 550, 1989, are trending. Adidas present winners are even older, together with Gazelles, 1968, and Sambas, 1950. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. Marco Gentile appointed Principal's new Chief Government Officer for the UK and Europe. Previous to that, he held a number of senior roles at Burberry and spent a decade inside Kering Group. Principal at present operates 5 shops and 3 shop-in-shops in London and Paris. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. Afterpay has withdrawn its sponsorship of Australian Trend Week. The Buy Now, Pay Later platform had signed a 3-year deal for the naming rights of the occasion in 2020. Afterpay mentioned it might proceed to help Australian manufacturers buy work with the Australian Trend Council and Australian Retailers Affiliation. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. Republican attorneys Normal from 16 U.S. states requested the Securities and Alternate Fee to audit China-founded fast fashion retailer Shine's provide chain for the usage of pressured labor. Shine, which sells $7 clothes and $5 house items in additional than 150 nations, has moved its headquarters to Singapore, however manufactures most of its merchandise in China. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. PDD Holdings Incorporated income rose a stronger than expected 66%, after the corporate behind hit procuring app Temu spent to spice up progress at residents and overseas to counter a bumpy post-pandemic restoration. The e-commerce platform reported income of 52.3 billion yuan, $7.2 billion, within the June quarter. For more details, visit the link provided in the description. Shopping for any product from a candidate's retailer equates onto cash of their marketing campaign checking account. Under federal regulation, any such buy is definitely a donation. The article is the premium you get in return. The U.S. Copyright Act excludes from safety any works created by the federal authorities, however not state or native governments. For more details, visit the link provided in the description.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.